I used to spend 3 hours every single day on email, reading, replying, sorting, following up. It felt like a second job that produced nothing. Then I built an AI email system that took me 15 minutes to set up, and it cut my email time down to 20 minutes a day. Today, I'm showing you the exact step-by-step system. By the end of this video, your inbox will basically run itself. The average professional receives 121 emails per day. That's according to a 2025 Radicati Group study. And most people spend about 2.5 hours per day managing them. That's over 12 hours a week, more than a full workday just on email. And here's the painful part. About 70% of those emails don't need a thoughtful, custom response. They're confirmations, updates, simple questions, scheduling requests, or FYIs that just need to be filed. So why are we manually handling every single one? The system I'm about to show you uses 3 layers of AI automation. Layer 1 handles the emails that don't need you at all. Layer 2 drafts responses for emails that do need a reply. Layer 3 organizes everything so nothing falls through the cracks. Let's build it. Before AI even touches your replies, we need to triage your inbox. Most email clients have basic filters, but we're going to supercharge them. Step 1. Open your email settings and create filters for the obvious stuff. Newsletters go to a read later label. Automated notifications from tools like Slack, Trello, or GitHub get their own label. Shipping confirmations, receipts, and transactional emails go to receipts. This alone eliminates about 30% of inbox noise. Step 2. Connect your email to Zapier or Make.com. Create a zap that triggers on new emails. Add an AI step, either OpenAI or Claude, that reads the email subject and first 2 sentences and classifies it into categories: urgent, needs reply, FYI only, or newsletter. Based on that classification, the automation applies the right label and, for FYI only emails, marks them as read automatically. This layer runs silently in the background. When you open your inbox, instead of 121 random emails, you see them pre-sorted by priority. The urgent stuff is on top. The noise is already filed away. Now, for the emails that actually need a response. This is where the real-time savings happen. Option A. If you use Gmail, you can use Superhuman or Shortwave, both of which have built-in AI that drafts replies based on the email context. They learn your writing style over time, so the drafts sound like you, not like a robot. Option B. If you want a free solution, here's how to set it up with ChatGPT. Create a custom GPT called Email Assistant. In the instructions, paste 3 to 5 examples of emails you've written so it learns your tone. Add instructions like, always be concise, use the recipient's first name, end with a clear next step. Then when you get an email that needs a reply, paste it into your Email Assistant GPT. It generates a draft in your voice in about 5 seconds. Copy, paste, send. Option C, the most automated approach. Set up a Zapier workflow that triggers when an email hits your Needs Reply label. It sends the email content to ChatGPT via API, gets a draft reply, and saves it as a Gmail draft. When you check your inbox, the replies are already written. You just review and hit send. I use a combination of Superhuman for quick replies and the Zapier auto draft system for routine emails. Between the two, I write maybe 10% of my email replies from scratch. The third layer solves the "I forgot to follow up" problem that costs most professionals real money and opportunities. Set up a follow-up tracking system using Zapier plus a simple Google Sheet. Here's how it works. When you send an important email, BCC a dedicated tracking address. Zapier catches that email, logs the recipient, and send date to a Google Sheet, and sets a follow-up date 3 days later. When the follow-up date arrives, Zapier checks if you've received a reply from that person. If not, it drafts a polite follow-up email using AI and adds it to your drafts. You review it, hit send, and never let a lead or important thread go cold again. For organization, I use a simple end-of-day automation. At 5 p.m., Zapier scans my inbox for any emails that arrived today and are still unread. It sends me a summary, a digest of what I might have missed, prioritized by the AI classification from Layer 1. This means I never have that Sunday night anxiety of did I miss something important. The system catches everything. Let me show you what a typical day looks like with this system fully active. 8 a.m. I open my inbox. Instead of 100+ emails, I see them pre-sorted. 12 emails labeled urgent or needs reply are at the top. 40 newsletters and FYIs are already filed. 20 notifications are marked as read. I open the 12 priority emails. 8 of them already have AI-drafted replies waiting. I review each one, approve, make a small tweak, send. The 4 that need real thought, I write manually. But even those I start from an AI draft. Total time, 20 minutes. Done before my first coffee gets cold. Compare that to the old way. Scrolling through every email, context switching between urgent and trivial, manually typing every reply, forgetting to follow up. The AI email automation system doesn't just save time, it eliminates the cognitive drain that email creates. 3 layers. Layer 1, smart filtering and AI classification to sort your inbox automatically. Layer 2, AI reply drafting so you review and approve instead of writing from scratch. Layer 3, automated follow-ups and end-of-day digests so nothing falls through the cracks. Total setup time, about 15 to 30 minutes. Daily time saved, 2 to 3 hours. That's over 10 hours a week you get back for work that actually matters. If this saved you time, hit subscribe. I'm showing you how to build your complete AI productivity stack from scratch in an upcoming video that covers every part of your workflow, not just email. Drop a comment and tell me, how many hours do you spend on email every week? I'm genuinely curious. And if you set up this system, come back and tell me how much time you saved. All the tools, templates, and automation walkthroughs are linked in the description below.